Alright, YouTube. Well, I have a really high-tech solution here for having too low of ceilings. I took like a Walmart laundry basket, cut a hole in the ceiling, and flipped it upside down, and it actually seals pretty well. I got to make it a little bit bigger to clear my electric box on this side, and then I'll be able to totally run this guy. But yeah, I'm excited. I fortunately was able to get on eBay, and that I forget the name of the company, Yashikawa, Yawa, something or other. It was a Japanese company. Sakawa, I don't know how to pronounce that, but there you go. I was able to find another one of these, and I just got it installed up there and used a cordless drill motor to run it up and down a couple times. Works like a champ. Now I got to get it wired in. So if anybody has any leads or knows where I could get a wiring diagram for this guy or these Canon plugs here, that's my next chore to figure out. I haven't really had time to sit down and figure that one out. What all's going on? Basically, this is going to be a quick shop update because I have way too much work to do and shouldn't be dicking with that thing. Lathe work is coming along here very nicely. Again, I haven't had time to video this, but I still have a couple more of these pucks to make. They turned out looking real good. So basically they just need to mate up to one of these flanges here. Here's the finished one. And it took me a couple hours to just turn the middle out of this, and I found a trepanning tool or trepanning tool. I don't know how you say that on eBay. Bought it, and I'll do some videos on that when I get it actually, but basically now I just have to thread these holes here so one of these flanges can mate up to that guy. What else is going on? The truck that I really hate is back. I have to build a cover for that piece of survey equipment, and I'm going to try and video that tomorrow as I'm working on it. I've just been trying to clear the shop up a little bit here so I could kind of have a cleaner space to work. Basically, there's a crazy expensive piece of survey equipment that sits up here, and I got to build a cover that slides forward and backward on it. And then my place that I made for here, to where they have a ladder that hooks on, I have to cut that off and move it to the front, which I welded the shit out of that thing, so it's really going to be fun to get off there, since I don't think you can arc air aluminum. What else is going on? That is really about it. I have not been down here too much. Lately, I've been gone working in my other facility down there, and not my other facility, the other facility I've been working at, and it looks like I just found out I have a couple other projects to do in that same area. So busy times, probably won't have too many videos up, but I just wanted to spend a few minutes and see if I could get this monster running and clear some space off my table, because I had both those servos and I need to get my rotary table off there. So anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Thank you for watching. Please check back the channel. I should have some more welding content up here shortly. Oh, one other thing. While I'm thinking about it, I picked up a Miller hood because my Jackson over there that I've had for like 4 or 5 years now, the lens died in it. I'll do a review on this guy here. I think I've got like 10 minutes of arc time on it at this point, but yeah, so stay tuned for that. And I'm Darlington Farm. Thank you for watching. Please check back the channel, and yeah, I hope everybody is having a good summer.